Hi, my name is Moira and I'm going to be teaching you a nightly skin routine for a clear complexion. To begin, I'm going to be showing you my 4 favorite products that I use nightly. First, I start by cleaning my face with this BioClarity face wash, and all of their products are all organic and very good for your skin. Then I move to this Neutrogena Deep Clay Cleansing Mask, and I keep it on for about 15 minutes, and it's really good for your pores and it cleans your whole entire face. And then I wash that off and I move to the second step of my BioClarity, and it's a topical solution that you put on all of your blemishes. And then finally, I restore my skin with the third step, and it has chlorophyll in it, and it's a hydrating serum for your face. Now I'm going to demonstrate to you how to use all 4 of these products. To begin, I'm going to wash my hands. And now I'm going to apply a nickel shape of this BioClarity cleanser, and I'm going to rub it together and apply it to my face. Now I'm going to rinse this off. And now I'm going to make sure to get my face completely dry before I apply the Neutrogena cleanse. Now I'm going to apply my face mask. You need to put enough in your hand to apply a thick layer to your face. As you can tell, my hair is up to ensure that I don't get any products in it as I'm washing this mask off. Now I'm going to put on my topical solution by BioClarity to any blemishes. I'm going to put about a pea size and spread it evenly. To conclude my nightly skin routine, I'm going to apply the Restore Hydrating Mask on top of the topical solution that I just put on. Now that your face is all clean, all you need is your sleep mask. Thanks for watching!